Hello everyone. Welcome to the course Transfer Learning with Tensorflow 2.0. I am Margaret Maynard-Reed. Currently, I'm a machine learning engineer and researcher working on AI for art and design. Previously, I worked on computer vision apps and on-device machine learning for a few years. I am a Google developer expert for machine learning and a contributor to the TensorFlow community. I write blog posts and speak at conferences about deep learning, computer vision, TensorFlow, and on-device machine learning. I'm also a community leader of several groups. I lead Google Developer Group Seattle and Seattle Data Analytics and Machine Learning. Please follow me on Medium and Twitter with my handle @MargaretMZ. Here is an overview of the course. This course will have lectures and hands-on labs that you can follow along. There are 4 sections. Section 1 includes a course overview. Then I will cover some of the new features of TensorFlow 2.0. You will learn how to use Google Colab, a Jupyter notebook running on Google Cloud VM, to write code for training machine learning models. You will refresh on concepts of neural networks, which leads to the topic of why transfer learning. Section 2 covers how to do transfer learning with tf.keras. After an overview of why transfer learning and what is transfer learning, we will discuss transfer learning and fine-tuning techniques and when and how to apply them. We will discuss the list of pre-trained convnets available in tf.keras and how to use them. You will also learn how to use a pre-trained convnet as a feature extractor and then fine-tune it with Colab notebook examples. Section 3 will cover transfer learning with TensorFlow Hub. You will get an overview of TensorFlow Hub and then hands-on examples of TensorFlow Hub transfer learning. One example is on image classification and the other one is on text classification. In Section 4, we will discuss real-world use cases where transfer learning is applied. The first example is how to do transfer learning with just a few lines of code with TensorFlow Lite Model Maker. And the other example is on-device model training directly on Android with transfer learning using tools from TensorFlow Lite. This course assumes that you have some basic knowledge of Python and the Python libraries such as NumPy and Matplotlib, etc. You also have some basic knowledge of neural networks and have worked through some tutorials of Keras. You have heard of what is a convolutional neural network and what is a recurrent neural network. By the end of the course, you will have learned the following: new features of TensorFlow 2.0 and its high-level API, tf.keras, a solid understanding of what is transfer learning and the various techniques, transfer learning for both image-based models and text-based models, transfer learning with tf.keras, transfer learning with TensorFlow Hub, and transfer learning with TensorFlow Lite Model Maker. Real-world scenarios where transfer learning is applied. So, let's get started with our learning and dive into more details.